Shauco SafeVent Pro 3.0. Have you seen the ads for this dryer vent cleaning tool? It promises to remove years of built-up lint, lower your risk of house fires, and even save you from paying those expensive professional cleaning fees. Sounds amazing, right? But is it really legit? Let's dig into it. First off, we check the product images. And guess what? Many of them look like they were copied straight from the internet. That's a big red flag. Why? Because real, trustworthy brands usually show actual pictures of their product. Using stock or copied images, well, that doesn't really scream authenticity. Next, let's talk about pricing. The website pushes a huge discount, buy more, save more deals, and even a ticking countdown timer. Feels a bit pushy, doesn't it? That's the kind of tactic that tries to rush people into buying. Not exactly a sign of a super reliable store. Then there are the claims. They say it fits all vacuum brands, cleanse your dryer in just 10 minutes, won't break, gives instant results, and even comes with a money-back guarantee. Wow, sounds perfect. But honestly, there's no technical explanation or proof. Without demonstrations or certifications, these promises seem a little too good to be true. Another claim is about the flexible hose. They say it can reach deep inside the dryer and easily navigate all the bends and turns that rigid tools can't. Sounds handy, right? But here's the thing. There are no real-world tests or demo videos to back this up. So we just have to take their word for it. And finally, the reviews. The website says over 32,000 homeowners trust it and shows lots of glowing reviews. But when we searched on independent sites like Trustpilot, nothing. Zero. Genuine popular products usually have reviews all over the internet, so the absence of external feedback is definitely suspicious. So, what's the verdict? Based on the copied images, aggressive discounts, exaggerated claims, no real testing evidence, and lack of independent reviews, Shauco SafeVent Pro 3.0 definitely raises some red flags. It might work as a basic dryer vent cleaner, sure, but with these marketing tactics and unsupported claims, its reliability is really questionable. If you're thinking about buying it, maybe pause, do some extra research, and proceed with caution. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and honest reviews.